What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the SIM card in your iPhone is not properly working, when getting no service, the invalid SIM or no SIM errors, or simply when you're unable to make calls or texts. First, let's try a quick network refresh. Swipe down to open the control center and turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This action resets your network connection and can often resolve connectivity issues. If that doesn't work, force restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This process reloads the phone's software and can fix issues with the SIM card. For iPhones with a physical SIM, usually iPhone 13 and older, you can remove and reinsert the SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to open the SIM tray. Remove the SIM card, check for any damage or dirt, and then reinsert it carefully. Ensure it sits right in the tray before reinserting it to your phone. Next, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. This action will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and other network-related preferences, but it won't delete your personal data. Also, check for any available software updates. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your iPhone's software up to date can fix many issues, including those related to network and SIM card functionality. If none of these steps work, contact your carrier. Verify that your phone service is active and ask them to troubleshoot the issue from their end. Sometimes, network outages or issues with your account can cause SIM card problems. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.